Dr. E in the house again. Guess what I got today for you folks? Bam! We got another loaded weapon here. It's not really a weapon, it's just a word. Okay. I said I'd be back to open another set, so here we go. I like my videos short because I know you guys have a lot to do. Clean your yard, get ready for winter, all that stuff. So I'm going to make it short. Because Dr. E, when he operates the right way. All right, here goes the first one. You know, it's funny. The other pack I had like a seal sticker on it. This one didn't, but the packages are all sealed. So I'm going to show them to you guys first. And they are graded. You can get them at Walmart. No, yeah, it was Walmart. Yeah, Walmart. Like 50 bucks or so. Here we go. First one. Here it comes. I can't see it. It's a graded 10. Who is it? Bam! Oh, wow. Yokish. That's a great card, man. What does it say? It's 1 out of 774. Not bad. That's my first one. All right, we're going to go with the second one. My scissors out. I'm not peeking. I'm just seeing which way is front. Okay, ready? You guys get the first look. They're all 10s. Who is it? Bam! Who is it? Luca. And this one is Panini. Nice card. All right. There's 4 in a pack. Here goes the next one. Where's my scissors at? That's the sound of the scissors. My wife thinks she can whistle better than me, but she can't. Here's the next one. And it's a 10, of course. And it is, oh, it's Mini LeBron. Oh, how exciting. That's my second one. Wow. Nice card. Wow. Got the rodeo on TV right now. Bronco busting. They wear football helmets now. You really realize that? I guess if I was on a bull, I'd wear a football helmet too and the shoulder pads. All right, here's the last one. I'm hoping for something great. We already got a good one in LeBron, so here we go. It's a 10. Who is it? Oh, the #1 draft pick. No way. Cooper. It's Cooper. Wow, it's rookie card. Not bad for 50 bucks. It's one of, wow, there's a lot of them. 68,380. It's still, you know, that's limited print, you know. All right. We had a good time. Next time I'm going to be opening maybe some treasures or Christmas stuff or something like that. But anyway, don't forget this. For the next video, I guess I'll see you later. Dr. E, leaving the hospital.